Bitcoin is still trading inside of this massive downtrend, but I can tell you already, this is probably going to be a massive Bitcoin bear trap. Yesterday, Bitcoin has once again been seeing another breakdown and another rejection. So are we still going to be getting supported? What is going to be happening next? We need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's the short term. And Bitcoin is still trading inside of this downtrend. Yesterday we actually tried to be breaking above, but we once again failed to do so. We failed to be breaking above this previous high, above this level of resistance, and we once again got another rejection. Now, do keep in mind, currently we are trading inside of a weekend. That CME gap is currently sitting at the 60.4k level, so probably we are just going to be consolidating at around this level during the course of the weekend. Yes, right now Bitcoin has been pumping a little bit towards the upside, but I do think that at the beginning of next week we are going to be retracing back towards this level. So yeah, keep this in mind during the course of the weekend. I do think that volatility is going to be lowered. Anyways, yes, yesterday Bitcoin has actually confirmed this third touch point and confirmed this ascending triangle, but eventually we still got this break towards the downside because, well, the markets are still quite weak. So yeah, we created some follow through towards the downside, but I definitely do think that we are pretty close towards our bottom right now, and I'm going to be explaining that exactly in this video. So do I still think that we are going to be headed even lower from off this point? Well, there's definitely that possibility because we are still trading inside of this downtrend, and as long as we are still going to be trading inside of this downtrend, well, we are looking rather more a little bit bearish. Anyways, while Bitcoin is looking a little bit more bearish in the short term, I do think that generally it is going to be a very good buying moment over here. And I do think that this is going to be a massive bear trap because I can be seeing a lot of people flipping bearish right now. But I just think that right now is not going to be the time to be flipping bearish. I think that we should still be remaining to be bullish on top of support. And we are getting a lot of signals that actually we are coming pretty close towards that Bitcoin bottom. So yeah, Bitcoin is still currently sitting at crucial levels of daily support. We are still seeing our huge consolidation. And yes, Bitcoin in that larger time frame is creating a dangerous structure with this double top formation and weakening highs. So yes, this is definitely looking very dangerous, and if we were to be falling down below this level of support, well, in that case definitely we need to be having a look into lower targets getting reached. And also do keep in mind that coming next week, well, Mt. Gox will be starting to sell their Bitcoin. So yeah, of course, this is going to be quite bearish for the Bitcoin price. So if we were to be falling down below, well, in that case, definitely, I am going to be having a look into my price target getting reached, all the way down towards the 52.7k. But in my opinion, if we are just going to be having a look into the charts right now, well, we are creating this hidden bullish divergence for Bitcoin. We are creating this larger time frame bull flag pattern. On the Bitcoin RSI indicator, on the daily time frame, we are getting a huge buy signal with the RSI dipping below the level of 30. So yeah, the RSI indicator reaching oversold levels, definitely looking very good. And on top of that, also the majority of the Bitcoin market is right now actually trading short, and usually, well, the majority of the market is wrong, right? Like we can be seeing, the Bitcoin funding rates are still trading negative, which is definitely a bullish indication for the market. So yeah, I am definitely buying right now over on Bybit. I do think that right now we are coming very close towards that Bitcoin bottom. Yes, we might be seeing another leg towards the downside. Definitely that could still be possible, but in that case, I just think that we are going to be creating this RSI bullish divergence, and that is going to be that ultimate bottom signal, and then I would be buying the dip very hard. So let's see if we are still going to be seeing this bounce, or if we are going to be falling down below with this news that we will be getting. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself or buy the dip right now, definitely make sure to be checking out that link down below, because over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $40,000 deposit bonus. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, definitely make sure to check out these other options down below. Anyways, what has been happening in the market is actually very interesting in my opinion, because 21Shares has also been filing for a Solana spot ETF, and of course VanEck has also already been filing for this ETF. So yeah, pretty likely in my opinion it will be getting accepted, and if it is going to be getting accepted, well, $1,000 this cycle is going to be very likely. Now in that short term for Solana, well, it has been consolidating beautifully instead of this larger time frame consolidation pattern. I think that ultimately we are going to be seeing an extremely beautiful breakout towards the upside. And having a look in towards the overall altcoins, well, it is looking like right now the Bitcoin dominance is starting to be topping out with this rounding top that we are creating. We are also on the verge of a possible breakdown right now at this current moment. So definitely altcoin season is starting to near. I have been seeing it for the past couple of months. Right now is going to be the time to be preparing yourself because it is coming close. And whenever the Bitcoin dominance is going to be crashing towards the downside, well, that is going to be the moment where the altcoins are going to be exploding. So anyways, for Bitcoin on that monthly time frame, in my opinion, it is still looking absolutely beautiful with this beautiful consolidation above previous resistance. And as long as this monthly candle is still going to be closing, and as long as this Bitcoin monthly candle is still going to be closing above this monthly level of support, I still do think that on that monthly time frame, we are still looking good for Bitcoin. So anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.